Imagine that you're taking your least favorite class of the semester. This class, however, is the class that determines whether or not you go to a four-year university. You believe you're not going to pass this class. No way. Not at least without some help. So you go to a tutor. You tell the tutor whose class you're in, and he immediately pulls out an old textbook that your professor used to use. You're a bit skeptical at first. But as you start reading through the pages, you realize that most of the topics and concepts are fairly similar. Even your friends studied from the same book, and they passed the class. Your tutor convinces you. And the test is in a week, so you get started and you work with this tutor. Fast forward a week after that first exam. You find out you failed it. 50% failure. Your professor writes on your exam, does not match the new information. The information is updated. Sorry. You go to your tutor to tell him what's happened, and he's no longer there. So he can't help you convince your professor to retake the test. You're a straight A student. You brush it off, and you believe that you're gonna buckle down and you're gonna pass this class no matter what. But that one test brought down your entire class score 2 letter grades. Your GPA is now lower than what is accepted at your four-year university. Now let me tell you a similar story. My family brought me to the U.S.